This is so fucking crazy for me to stand here on the balcony and just being there where I dreamed of to be like 3 years ago. So 3 years ago I was like in Germany and Hamburg. I smoked way too much pot and I wanted to make money, and I dropped out of college because I was so addicted to make my business, to make my life actually working and to make money, because after money I saw the freedom that I could do whatever I wanted. And it started literally in my high school. The first time I made like 8,000 euros, 8 to 10,000 euros in 1 month or in a period of time. I tasted the feeling of freedom. And since then, I never stopped chasing my dreams. So I was always chasing my dreams. And I was just like staying on this balcony some minutes ago before I started recording, just staying here, taking a look at the buildings and having this view and seeing Creek Harbor, seeing a creek, just being exactly there where I wanted to be, where I dreamt of 3 years ago. And maybe this encouraged somebody to just like don't quit and just like keep going. When I would talk to myself right now in this video, just don't fucking stop. You will never lose when you don't stop. When you don't quit, live that life what you want. You will actually drive that car which you want. You will actually make that amount of money per month what you want. So yeah, it's crazy. So what happened was, back in the days, I was still in school and I always had my sales meetings between my last class. Then we had like 1 hour break, and then we had like sports, for example. I remember this thing till today, and then making more money than the teacher and sitting in the classroom at the last seats in the classroom and just like doing work and understanding that the life the teacher is preaching is not the version I want to be in my life, and to understand that I already make more money than this person, so what can he teach me? This was a very, very interesting time for me. It was one of the best times to smell the first time this freedom of I can do whatever I want and I'm capable of doing whatever I want, because I'm the ruler of my time and I'm the decision maker over my life, because I figured it out to offer something for a company, for somebody else, which is variable for them, what only I can do. In order, exceeding this or doing this job, I'm getting paid. And just wanted to share my thoughts and hoping it inspired somebody, because when I 3, 4, 5 years back, when I would watch this video, when I would be at the same stage maybe you are right now, and I would see somebody like this, he's talking about his dreams. It is fucking possible. You just need to get the shit done. That's the only thing. Like, get the work done, write down your goals for 2025 and get shit done. That's the only thing to go for. You will not reach your goals when you think about them. You will not reach your goals when you, whatever you do, just get it fucking done. Get this skill, get this sale, make this step, do the effort, stand up at a certain time and just get the fucking work done and change your life. Like I changed my life, so it's crazy easy to do it for yourself as well. So I just got the email from a client of mine. He said like, hey, Noah, just send me the invoice for our cooperation, how we will work together. It was like almost $4,000. I just made a screenshot. I was just like sitting there at my desk. I mean, I made already more than $4,000 in 1 month, but it hit me in this moment. That's why I also wanted to record this video. I was like, wow, just this realization for myself, and just being in the moment and realizing like, wow, this is what you always wanted to have and now you have it, and I'm feeling so fucking grateful and free. Life is such a blessing. I love my life so much. Every second, every moment, to be in the moment and to just exceed life to the best, to the fullest, based on your skills, based on whatever you want to do, because the life is freaking free. You can do whatever you want. You can choose whatever you want to be. And that's the best part of it. You don't need to live a life which other people would like you to live a life. You can just choose whatever you want. And when there's a fire in your chest, which is in my case, or was in my case, or is still in my case, content creation and video, just find this fire and just pour fucking gasoline on it. And then just live your life. Spend the time there. Spend the focus there. Where you will focus in your life, when you put the focus there, and you would just burn that fire and just not burning, but just inflaming it and living life towards this, to the person, or just like becoming the person which you want to become. It's so damn possible. You just need to do it the same like I did it. I was going to become a multimillionaire. Still, I'm believing in it. Nothing will change it, because it is fucking possible. When other people can do it, I know for sure I can do it. When people can do it with the kind of same skill set as I am, I know stories. Just had a call with a friend of mine. People which like not the smartest people sitting in private jets, and I don't mean that bad. It's like just they understood something and they just executed it and just focused on it. So I hope this video was variable. I hope you also enjoy this beautiful view with me, and when you enjoyed it, for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.